Hello everybody, today we are going to show you how to participate in our TRONISH airdrop. There are two ways to participate. The first one, if you have just a Tron address, you can participate in our bounty program. You will find everything about our bounty program in the description below this video. The second way is to have TRX, Wish or EOSISH. So let's start with the second way and start with the TRX holders. Let's open our airdrop tool. In the I have TRX tab, enter your personal Tron address and click the Save Tron Address button. To confirm address, you will need to use the extension TronLink or TronPay. Please ensure that your account has enough bandwidth and energy before confirming. Each registered TRX holder will receive 1 TRONISH for every 10,000 TRX placed on his wallet. Now, if you are a Wish holder, in the tab I have Wish, enter your personal Ethereum address where Wish tokens are located and enter your Tron personal address. Please don't specify the addresses of the exchanges. You must have private keys for the specified addresses. To confirm the binding of the specified addresses, click Save Tron Address and sign the transaction. Each registered Wish holder will receive 1 TRONISH for each Wish token placed on his personal wallet. So now EOSISH holders, enter your personal EOS account on which the EOSISH tokens are located. Then enter your personal Tron address. Don't enter any exchanges accounts. You must have private keys for the specified account. To confirm the binding of the specified addresses, click Save Tron Address and sign the transaction with the Scatter extension. Each registered EOSISH holder will receive 1 TRONISH for every 20 EOSISH tokens placed on his personal account. To make sure that you did everything correctly, enter the address or account again. You should receive a message about a successful connection in response. So, if you are a TRX holder, you will get 1 TRONISH for every 10,000 TRX placed on your wallet. If you are an EOSISH holder, you will get 1 TRONISH for every 20 EOSISH tokens placed on your personal account. And if you are a Wish holder, you will get 1 TRONISH for each Wish token placed on your personal wallet. That's all. Thank you for watching.